Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to borrow money from Botim in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to simply open your Botim application on your phone, then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you sign in into your account, in the bottom of it, apart from calls, chats, and the all option, you are going to see the money tab as well. So if you are not seeing the money tab, just make sure that you are using the latest version of the application because the borrowing feature and the money features are available on the Botim money updates only. So when you are inside, simply tap on the option of the money tab in the bottom. Afterwards, you just have to simply look for the send now pay later or easy cash option. So when you select the SNPL or send now pay later option, Botim includes SNPL to let people send money immediately and repay later in the installments. And you need to understand that not every account gets this particular option. You are going to get the option automatically, but Botim is going to check for your identity verification, for your UAE residency and wallet activity and your account history as well. So if approved, you just have to choose the amount that you want to borrow or transfer. Botim promotional material mentions a limit up to 5,000 dirhams for some of the eligible persons. So before confirming, just carefully review the monthly installments, the fees, the due dates, and the repayment schedule. Botim states repayments can usually be made through the app wallet and the linked payment methods. So after the approval, the funds are normally sent instantly to the selected recipient to their bank account and the wallet. And if the feature doesn't appear, it means that your account may not currently qualify for the borrowing access yet. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.